The real challenge that we've got with the whole sustainability debate is that's all fine, but how are we going to pay for it? Oh, it's not going fast enough. Oh, it's going too fast. How do I deal with all these risks when I've got a core business I need to run? I think what we saw was that if you want to make something that's ecologically sustainable, adopted at scale, you need to make it financially sustainable. The other bit is figuring out the right risk allocation so you can bring the right capital to the table is also really important. And I think that's where that engineering, consulting, finance approach was so critical. We're slowly closing the coal plants because they're no longer economical, they're too expensive, they can't compete with wind, but that creates this stability problem. So we were like, how do we solve that? How do we get enough capacity of that? And it turned out that it's not necessarily a policy problem, it was a financing problem that really stood in the way of these assets being rolled out. So I think that's where that ownership mentality of saying, look, we'll own the whole thing, we'll design, build, own, operate, finance, really allowed us to look at things slightly differently.